Shri Bhagwati, manufacture, co-mill. A co-mill, or conical mill, is a versatile and efficient milling machine used for size reduction and the agglomeration in various industries. It operates on the principle of high-speed impact, where a rotating impeller imparts centrifugal force on particles within the milling chamber. As the particles collide with the conical screen and each other, they are broken down into smaller sizes. The conical shape of the milling chamber promotes uniform particle size reduction and efficient mixing of materials. County mill machines are commonly used in pharmaceutical, food processing, and chemical industries for applications such as granulation, pulverization, and blending of powders. They offer advantages such as adjustable milling settings for different particle sizes, ease of cleaning and maintenance due to their simple design, and the ability to handle both wet and dry materials. County mill machines contribute to improved product quality by ensuring consistent particle size distribution and enhanced flow properties of powders, making them indispensable in modern manufacturing processes where precision and efficiency are paramount. The co-mill operates on the principle of centrifugal acceleration, where materials are forced against the conical screen by centrifugal force generated by the rotation of the impeller. As the particles come into contact with the sieve, they are reduced in size by the shearing and milling action between the blades of the impeller and the conical screen. This process effectively breaks down agglomerates and reduces particle sizes to achieve uniformity in particle distribution. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.